pin-loaded standing calf raise machine. Good little machine, this one. You can do a couple of different things with it too. I'm going to start by showing you calf raises on this machine. And what you would do is, there's an adjustment here for your height. Essentially, using this adjustment here will adjust how high this bar goes. For calf raises, unless you're really short, the height adjustment is a good adjustment, yeah? Then the second adjustment is your pin. And you can pick your weight, whatever you like to do. Work your way from the bottom and start working your way up. Remember, you're working calves, which are a smaller muscle and are used to working because you walk all the time. But this is quite a specific exercise. So then what we want to do is get ourselves under, step up onto the step. Now, the placement of the foot on the step should be that the ball of your foot should be on the step. Not your whole foot and not just your toes, the ball of your foot and facing forward, straight. So is that when we get our ball of our foot on there, we would like to roll it down and then try and roll up onto the big toe. As you roll up on the big toe, you're using all of those calf muscles, okay, through soleus, as opposed to rolling it onto the little toe, which you're not really using everything. Getting a bit lazy in that position, okay? Much better workout, much better action up on the big toe, okay? You can always go slightly wider if you want. You can go internal and external if you like, and they're all different little adjustments that you can make, but the general best calf raise is on the ball with heels nice and tight and on the ball of the foot. To let it go, just get back into that position. What you can also do is getting into a nice squat. So learning how to squat, all good. Move that out of the way. Adjust your weight accordingly if you need to. Drop this down by pulling that pin and dropping it down. It'll click into place. And this is a good way to start upright squats. If you don't want to, you're not confident with the bar yet, you can always use this. Getting underneath, noticing I'm past 90 degrees, okay? Getting underneath, feet shoulder width apart, pushing through those heels and into a, well, almost like starting from the bottom of a squat. Okay, again, you can put your feet in lots of different positions, into a sumo squat position, into a narrower stance, really get into quads. Okay, once you're done, gently let it go. That's our standing calf raise machine. Don't forget to give it a wipe and respect it.